guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just gonna be I'm just gonna tell you a story. So one time when I was a kid, I was 2 years old, I think, or 1 or 2 years old, and excuse me, and I was I don't and I was at my uncle and auntie's house, and there was a monkey, a real dawn monkey. And because I was such a joyful child, I tried to hug it, and he tried to take me away. But luckily, I got saved by a stranger. So that's just a story. So I don't know. That's just a story. Yes. Okay. Anyways, bye, guys.